Hi, this is Dustin Burrell with CIS 241, MCSA Guide to Windows Administrator. We're going to do activity 9.5 today, which is on page 353. If I didn't introduce myself, I'm Dustin Burrell. The activity today is installing the Web Enrollment role service. You'll need 412 server 1, 412 server 2, and 412 server 3. Let me get out of my full screens there. Let's make sure we're good to go on all three. This is your first step. Log on the 412 server 2 as administrator. And basically inside here, we go to the server management, click the notifications flag right here. Click on configure activity, Active Directory certificate services on destination server. Click on that. When this gets configured and it's ready to go, just click next. Looks like it's ready to go in credentials window. And then in the role services window, click the certification authority at Web Enrollment. I've already done this, so I don't need to do it again. But what you would do is click this right here, and then you would come down and click next. And on down in the confirmation window, click configure. And then after you configure it, if you're prompted to configure additional roles, which you probably will be, just click no. So I'm going to click cancel. They're going to ask, are you sure you want to cancel this wizard? I'm going to be like, yes, I do. So our next step would be the IIS must have a web server certificate. To request one, click the tools right up here. Make sure I'm in server 2. I am. And go to Internet Information Services from the Server Manager menu. In the left pane of IIS, you would click 412 server 2 right here. If you're prompted to start with the Microsoft Web Platform, just click no. And in the double pane, click on server certificates. Double click. I've already made this before. I will go into showing you how to do it, but I'm not going to create it totally. So what you would do is 412 server 2 dot 412 dom1 dot local and server 2012 412 class, and then I did D Burrell Boise Idaho. Now, I don't need to make another one of these, and I'm not going to make another one of these because I've been spending way more time on this activity than I wanted to where if it's configured where I want it, I'm just going to leave it that way. So if I wanted to do this, I would click next, and then it would go to the online certification authority window. And we'll check it out. We'll go next. And this is where you would select your 412 DOM 1 com 412 DOM 1 412 server 2 CA1. You select that, and then you would click OK. And then after that, you would come back over to here, your friendly name, and type in 412 server 2.412 dom1.local right here, and then you would click finish. But I've already created one, so I'm going to cancel this and not worry about it. Now in the left pane of the IIS manager, click sites to expand it. And then right click on your default website and go to edit bindings. I've already created the HTTPS binding that I wanted to. Just to show you how to do that, you go add here, and you would go HTTPS right there. And then for your SSL certificate, you would do 412 dom1.local. Then you would click OK. Right here, you'd pick OK, and then you would close it. But like I said, I'm going to cancel it because I've already made one. In In the left pane of the IIS manager, click to expand sites again. No, we just did that part. Oh yeah. Oh no, wait. No. I'm sorry. Click to expand default websites. And then click on the cert server right here. This one. And go down to your SL settings. Now you want to require the SSL. And you want to ignore. And then you want to make sure you apply these actions. And as you can see, the web server has ignore, accept, or require client certificates. If you want client computers connected to a web server to verify their identity, you would select require. For now, just leave it at ignore and then click apply. So changes have been successfully saved. Now we're going to go test our configuration in Windows 8. Go to Windows Explorer. HTTPS 412. As you can see, I've been doing this quite a bit today. And continue to this website. And that says not to, but continue to it anyway. Put the credentials in. Test. Cert. Make sure it's right. Test cert. And then password 01. Okay. Now here we want to click request a certificate link. Request a certificate right there. And then click the user certificate link. Alright, in the web access confirmation dialog box, click yes. And right now I have to run control down here. In order to complete certificate enrollment, the website for the CA must be configured to the HTTPS authentication. So where did my run control go so I can do that? User certificate. Okay, on that, and then run control down here. That's what I need to do. Continue to this website not recommended. There's the credentials. Administrator. No. What am I doing? Test. Cert. Password 01. Okay. Alright, here we go. Web access. This website is attempting to perform a digital certificate operations. Here's where you click yes to move on. And then after that, in the certificate issued window where we're at right now, oh, no, I'm sorry. In the message stating that no further identifying information is required, click submit. In the web access confirmation dialog box that pops up again, click yes. In the certificate issued window, click install this certificate. We should see a message. Oh, it's right there. We see a message stating that the CA is not trusted. You could add 412 Server 2 to the list of trusted CAs in the Internet Explorer if you want. For now, click install this certificate. Maybe this one. And install the certificate. The message asking, do you want to open? Click save. We want to save it. The certificate is downloaded to the default downloads folder. If you want to see the certificate, you could have clicked open. So if we want to see it, we can click open real quick. We'll see what that looks like. And then open it again. And that's what it looks like pretty much. Okay. So now that that's done, that's pretty much the end of our activity. But it's not an easy one to get to this point. So make sure everything is really set up correctly for you so that you're not going to have the issues I did. But that is 9.5, installing the Web Enrollment Role Service. Go ahead and log off and stay on 412 Server 2 and 412 Win8 if you're continuing tonight's activity. Thanks for joining me. Have a good night.